Okay, so we're off the beach. We just got through the little gateway that lets us back into the trail. But yeah, after we get back to the beginning of loop 1, we're gonna go and start loop 2. But first off, map. If we had gone this way, we could have just gone straight to the next loop. So we did it backwards. I mean, it doesn't matter. We're gonna get to the same place and do all the loops anyway, so I guess it doesn't make a difference. What's that, a sunflower? Yeah. That's where we went last time. Surely. There's no other option. This has to be the second loop. If Mother Nature is all natural stuff, something like this, Father Nature. Ooh, white flowers. So pretty. Yeah, I think I like this walk. I don't know. It's hard to say. Like the part in the woods and the last one was really cool. I just like being in the woods. You got the trees all around you, leaves overhead, so you just feel more isolated, I guess. But I do like the idea of being further away from people. But the sun is coming out. I'm not feeling any more raindrops, so good sign. But I am sweating 10 times more now. Holy sun. Cover your eyes, guys. We're gonna take a look. Oh, it's like a cactus. So cool. Yeah, it's crazy how when the sun comes out, like you could have been doing the exact same amount of effort, same amount of work, and it instantly becomes twice as hard. The woods just go on and on and on in that direction. Very pretty. Though I assume they go even further in that direction up the hill. It is looking kind of dark and stormy. Oh man. I hope that I can make it to the end of the third trail. I have to maybe pick up the pace. If I get caught in a downpour, that's not good. Though I will say, the sky is looking extra aesthetic. Especially this direction over here, like holy, right? So pretty. Okay, map, cool. So we're here. We just keep going straight. Instead of turning right, we turn left. That's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the train in the distance, but that's really cool, especially with the clouds. Hey there. Doing fine. You guys keeping cool?
Well, I'm trying.
Trying to, yeah. And everybody's always so friendly on trails. Ooh. Yeah, so all of that out there, none of that is actually field. You guys probably can't tell from where we are right now, but it is all like, it's all marsh, it's all water. And all the green on top are like lily pads and stuff. Man, I hope that we get closer to like being able to see like the marshland area, because that was pretty cool, but I want to get closer to it. I'm not sweating nearly as much. The wind's picking up, the sun's gone again, but that also means that those clouds are probably going to be opening up soon. Do I just risk it and just do loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3 all today? Oh, this one is clearly not cut. This is probably from when we actually had the tornado coming through here. That's all splintered up. Yeah, oh yeah. Right at the base too, dang. I think these are the pink flowers that we saw, just not bloomed. I don't know what these would be. I do like trees like this, so like when you're like, when like they bend and bow and like they cover areas like this. And then you could see like the sun right through the leaves. Okay, there we definitely got him now. Here he is. Dandelion. Open view of the marsh. I will say this, I am starting to hear the actual thunder from those clouds. This is cool though. I'm gonna try to get closer. That's so cool.
A lot of work.
That's cool. Yeah, this must be, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, train.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can see it raining now. I hope that doesn't catch up with me. Okay, I didn't see any, but it's okay. But man, those people are super nice. Dang. Okay, so where are we at? We are here. So we're almost to here, then we turn left. Oh, it's that flower that I was trying to see before. So pretty. Trees gone, ripped up. Yeah, this has to be from like the tornadoes and stuff. Dang, yeah, like even over there, ripped up. Like the tips are red and the outsides are orange. That's so cool. Dang, taken out by lightning. Makes me think, should I really be here if this area is like covered with downed trees from other lightning storms? Holy shit. Oh, big gust of wind. Oh, it feels so good. Like, look at that. Oh my God, it's so pretty though. So pretty. Like honestly, I think that the clouds are like the most aesthetic thing about this entire trip. Holy. But they are blowing in fast. And I think I'm kind of committed to the third loop now. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. No, I'm sure it'll be fine. Probably. Hopefully. This is really pretty. Though we are still walking in the direction of the cloud. I'm looking forward to eventually it looping towards the right. Okay. Look at those clouds. Look at that marsh. Cool train. Dude, when I see trains like this, like in the woods, it really reminds me of like Stephen King's It. Oh, but you can actually see, like, the rain starting to fall. We gotta go. Oh, it's so steep. Ugh, calves. Whoa. Okay, so here's a tree that was definitely struck by lightning. Right at the base. Oh my God. Yeah. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going because I don't want that to be us. I mean, we are still like gradually going up though. We are on an incline. Eventually we have to be going downhill, you would think, right? It's so easy to forget that Indiana has such nice trails. Dude, I'm gonna come back here mid-October. I bet you all of this is gorgeous. Oh God, it keeps going up. No, that's okay. This is good. This is good for my legs. Gotta stay positive, right? This is good for me. It means I don't have to do cardio tonight at the gym. Okay, but I'll be honest. Oh my God, my hair is crazy. Ah! But no, I'll be honest though, like, so far this has been nice. Like, it's not been over strenuous or anything like that. Like, all 3 loops are very doable by most people, I think. Oh man. Dude, look at the hat here. Whoa. Whoa. But yeah, no, like, anyone can really do these trails, I think. As long as you just give yourself enough time. But yeah, I just want to say, like, yeah, this has been fun so far. I don't know how long I still have. I feel like we have to at least be halfway done with this trail. That's the kind of stuff that we're like over. So like we are on a decline right now, so we have come down quite a bit. But now that the right side is open though, so pretty. The sun is coming back out. Dude, it always looks so aesthetic through the leaves. Well, we're finally going downhill at a pretty quick pace. Maybe this means we're like coming to an end. Also, I don't hear any thunder anymore. I was hearing like a little bit in the distance, but it completely stopped. So pretty. I stopped when I shouldn't have. Yeah, so we're here. We just make it here, and we're good. Right, and thinking that if we're going through woods like this, there'll be bugs galore because holy shit, there are mosquitoes everywhere. I'd say that until you get to like to the marsh area where like that deck was that looks over all the lily pads and all the water and everything, the second loop was probably the least aesthetic of all of them. First one had the coolest area going through woods. Their trail was just overall decent. I've killed at least 15 mosquitoes. And I have at least like 50 more on me. I told myself, I don't need bug spray. I can take mosquitoes. They're not gonna fuck with me. I've dealt with them my whole life. Surely it'll be fine. Shirley was a lying bitch. This is not fine. There's so many of them. And I'm still gonna stop because look at that. I know that mosquitoes are essential to the ecosystem and that without them, most things would perish, including humans. But I would say the 2 weeks, the month that we have left on Earth without them, oh man, what a month that would be. Worth it. You guys tell that I'm walking faster now. Yeah, damn, this last little area, fuck, like this final stretch is all mosquito territory. Fuck this, this is crazy. And then watch, I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna be back at the parking lot and instantly everything's gonna be fine. It's like, oh, that wasn't that bad. I'm gonna forget about how annoying this was. And the next time I do this, it's like only a 20% chance of me actually using bug spray. I heard that the ones that suck your blood are the females. The males don't fuck with you. Gotta go. Like, right now I could use a break, but I can't stop. There's too many of them. This part of the loop that goes into these woods specifically, fuck this. It's ridiculous. It's pretty, but it's not worth it. Not worth it at all. Oh, I see water. Oh, damn it. I think we're almost free. Whoa. Steep. Okay, guys, we're back. That's the parking lot right there. We made it back. Still a lot of mosquitoes even in this part. But you know what? Overall, besides that last little stretch with those woods, oh my God, it was so bad. Besides that, everything else here was actually really fun. I would recommend them. But yeah, guys, I will see you on the next trail. Peace.